Imagine being related to everyone you pass on the street, because in reality, you are. Genealogy reveals the amazing truth of our interconnectedness. Beneath the surface, we are all part of one enormous family tree. Genealogy allows us to trace back our lineage, uncovering the countless connections we share with people all over the world. Through historical records and DNA analysis, we can unearth the stories of our ancestors and see how our paths have crossed over millennia. It's about understanding the vast web of life that connects us all. This journey into our past can be filled with surprises, revealing unexpected connections and challenging our preconceived notions of identity. The study of genealogy takes us on a captivating adventure through time. Through this exploration, we gain a deeper understanding not only of our own personal history, but of the shared history of humanity as a whole. Genealogy is the study of family history. It involves tracing lineages and identifying ancestors through historical records and genetic analysis. At its core, genealogy is about connecting the dots between generations. We begin with ourselves and work backwards. Connects us with our past, enriching our understanding of who we are. As we journey back through time, the number of our direct ancestors doubles with each generation. We have 2 parents, 4 grandparents, 8 great-grandparents, and so on. This exponential growth leads to a surprising realization. Just a few centuries ago, we had thousands of ancestors alive at the same time. Consider this. Going back just 10 generations, which is approximately 300 years, you have over 1,000 direct ancestors. These ancestors came from all walks of life, representing a diverse range of cultures, professions, and experiences. Now imagine going back even further in time. 20 generations ago, you had over 1 million direct ancestors. While it may seem impossible, this exponential growth is a testament to the interconnectedness of all humans. It means that just a few centuries ago, your ancestors interacted with, lived alongside, and even married into the families of people from all over the world. This realization challenges our traditional notions of family and identity. While the exponential growth of our ancestors is fascinating, we must also consider the reality of historical population sizes. In the past, the global population was much smaller than it is today. This means that at some point, all of our ancestral lines inevitably intersect. We are all descended from the same group of humans who lived and survived thousands of years ago. If we all have such a large number of ancestors, and the world population was much smaller in the past, then those ancestors can't all be unique individuals. There must be overlap in our family trees. This phenomenon, known as pedigree collapse, occurs because our ancestors were not isolated groups. They interacted with each other, formed relationships, and had children, leading to a convergence of lineages over time. This interconnectedness is a testament to the shared history of humanity, highlighting the fact that we are all descended from a relatively small group of common ancestors. This understanding can help foster a sense of unity and interconnectedness, reminding us that our similarities far outweigh our differences. Let's discuss pedigree collapse. Our family trees aren't really trees. The further back we go, the more all of our ancestral lines intertwine. Our family trees aren't actually trees. They're more like diamonds. They expand as we move back in time, but eventually they begin to narrow again as ancestral lines converge. To understand pedigree collapse, imagine a small village in the distant past. Within this village, individuals would marry and have children. and over generations, their descendants would inherit the same set of ancestors. Now imagine this happening on a larger scale, with multiple villages and communities interacting and intermarrying over centuries. The result is a complex web of interconnectedness, where ancestral lines converge and diverge multiple times. It highlights the interconnectedness of human populations and demonstrates how seemingly distant individuals can share a surprising number of common ancestors. In recent decades, DNA analysis has revolutionized the field of genealogy. By comparing the DNA of individuals, scientists can determine their degree of relatedness and trace their ancestry back thousands of years. This powerful tool provides concrete evidence of our shared heritage, revealing connections that might otherwise remain hidden. Our DNA carries within it a record of our ancestry. By analyzing these markers, geneticists can determine the geographical regions from which our ancestors originated and even estimate how long ago different populations diverged. DNA testing has become increasingly popular in recent years, allowing individuals to trace their ancestry and connect with relatives they never knew they had. The results of these tests can be surprising, revealing unexpected connections and challenging our preconceived notions of identity. I had this happen personally. My great-great-great-grandmother was always thought to be Native American, Cheyenne Nation to be exact. But after getting my DNA test, I found out she was actually from Ghana. As DNA technology continues to advance, it promises to unlock even more secrets about our collective past, further illuminating the interconnectedness of all humans. The interconnectedness revealed by genealogy is not just an abstract concept. We see examples of it all the time, even in the lineages of famous people. For instance, did you know that Barack Obama and Winston Churchill are distant cousins? Or that Brad Pitt and Hillary Clinton are related through a 17th century ancestor? These surprising connections highlight the interwoven nature of human history. These high-profile examples capture our imagination, but countless other individuals have discovered unexpected connections through genealogical research. Whether it's finding a distant cousin who shares your passion for genealogy or uncovering a family secret that had been buried for generations, these discoveries demonstrate the power of genealogy to connect us to the past and to each other. One remarkable story involves a pair of men who met by chance and discovered they were long-lost brothers, separated as children during World War II. Through DNA testing and genealogical research, they were able to piece together their family history and reunite after decades apart. The interconnectedness revealed by genealogy extends far beyond famous figures and chance encounters. This is not just about facts and figures. It's about connecting with our past on an emotional level, understanding the lives and experiences of those who came before us. It can be an emotional journey, filled with joy, sadness, and a sense of belonging. Discovering the struggles and triumphs of our ancestors can give us a deeper appreciation for our own lives and challenges. Imagine discovering that your great-grandmother was a suffragette, fighting for women's right to vote, or that your great-grandfather immigrated to a new country with nothing but the clothes on his back, determined to create a better life for his family. These stories can inspire us, give us strength, and help us connect with our heritage in a profound way. Ultimately, this reminds us that we are not alone. We are part of a continuum of life that stretches back through time, connecting us to all those who came before us. This offers a fascinating journey into the past, revealing the intricate connections that bind us all. We are part of an immense human family. All of our roots are connected. Explore your genealogy to uncover links worldwide. Appreciate the shared history of humanity. Start by talking to your family or researching online. You might be surprised at what you discover. Connect to the profound story of us all. Do you have an experience with this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay connected and live your best life.